She was an average student. No one noticed her dream. 20 years later, she climbed a mountain higher than 5,000 meters. This is her story. From books to the peaks, I was teaching in a private coaching center. There was a girl in my class. She was an average student in those days. She was quiet and simple. One day, she came to my house with her friends to meet me. At that time, I did not notice her aim or passion. I never thought she wanted to do something different in life. She looked like any other student. After 20 years, something surprising happened. One day, I saw a news story on my mobile phone. It said that a woman had climbed a very high mountain, about 6,000 meters high. When I saw the picture, I felt confused. Her face looked familiar, but I was not sure. I asked some of my old students about her. They were also not sure if she was the same girl. Still, my heart was excited. I wanted to meet her. After asking many people, I finally got her address. When I reached her house, something beautiful happened. She recognized me first and greeted me with a smile. My eyes filled with happiness. One of my students had achieved something special. We talked about our old days. We laughed and remembered the past. Then I asked her about her next plan. She smiled and said, "I want to climb the highest mountain in the world." At that moment, I felt very proud. I was surprised by her strong determination. I realized that a small, quiet student can carry a great dream. That day, I truly learned the power of belief and courage. This story teaches us one simple truth. Being average today does not mean staying average forever. Dreams do not depend on marks or classrooms. They depend on courage, patience, and belief. That small, quiet student proved that determination can take us higher than mountains. If this story inspired you, please like the video. Share it with a student who needs motivation today. Subscribe for more inspiring English stories for beginners.